Welcome to this video on the basics of stock trading in Nigeria. This guide is designed to help you understand how to buy, sell, and potentially build wealth through the Nigerian stock market, with insights from Coach Lara Garuba. In this video, we will cover how the stock market functions, the steps to buying and selling shares, how to evaluate companies, the two primary ways investors make money, and strategies for risk management. The stock market is a marketplace for buying and selling ownership in companies. By purchasing shares, you become a part owner of that business. Companies list on the Nigerian Exchange, or NGX, to raise capital for growth, with examples including major firms in banking, oil and gas, and telecommunications. Investors typically make money in two ways: through capital gains, which is selling shares for more than you paid, and through dividends, which are regular cash payments from a company's profits. Investing can be a way to build wealth, beat inflation, and generate passive income. Getting started involves 5 initial steps: setting clear financial goals, establishing an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses, learning basic investment concepts, choosing a licensed broker, and finally, opening your brokerage account with the necessary identification and documentation. Once you are ready, follow these next 5 steps. Fund your account, research potential companies, review their financial statements to assess their health, make an informed decision on what to buy, and place your order using either a market or limit order. A key rule of investing is to never put all your money into one company. Diversifying your investments across different sectors, such as banking, technology, or consumer goods, is a strategy used to reduce risk and help protect your capital. Effective risk management includes only investing money you can afford to leave invested, avoiding common pitfalls like following market hype without research, and knowing when to sell based on your personal financial goals or changes in company fundamentals rather than just price fluctuations. Before every purchase, use a checklist to ensure the investment aligns with your strategy. Always track company performance, earnings, and dividend news using reliable sources like the Nigerian Exchange and the Securities and Exchange Commission. In summary, stocks represent business ownership. Always research before you buy, diversify your portfolio, and stay consistent. Please remember that this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute professional investment advice.